Do you own a vehicle? If you do, you might agree with me. Have you been involved in a situation when you're going to main dealers, car repair shops, smaller garages, you always feel awkward? Is it just me? Do I always have this sort of sense of lack of empathy from those places when you go there? Lack of sympathy. They never seems to be really putting a care to you as a customer. Do you feel like when you go there you feel unwelcomed? Do you feel when going to the garages or main dealers, or when regards to in the car trade, it's like you're feeling like a bit of like a victim? It's like you need more the service or maintenance of the vehicle than actually the place where you went. Can you reflect of what I'm saying? You know, I own the vehicle and I'm going, it's a Hyundai, and I'm going to the particular Hyundai place. I feel like Lefty. It's like I'm a burden into this place. Can you reflect what I'm saying? You know, that's why, you know, I bring in car repairs. I had enough of the service, customer service, the attitude from the dealers, from car repair places, smaller garages, repair shops. You know, it's like ego plays a part. You know, it's like you go there and as I described before, you don't feel like welcomed. You know, you don't feel like important as a customer. You know, you feel like, you know, I will pop in here and I will never come back. Can you reflect on what I'm saying? I feel the same, you know. In every place you go, it's like you have to feel, or an impression you take from the body language when you arrive is the sense of, how I can put it, just dropped out from my brain, you know, from my memory, the word of, it's like the place or the people who work there, it's like I'm losing words, you know. It's Saturday afternoon, and I'm giving this psychological story. It's like they're too big for their boots, or what's the word? You know, it's quite important for me to remember this, so you can feel alongside what I'm trying to explain in automotive industry, what's happening, you know. And but yes, that's why I'm bringing car repairs, and I'm guarantee from anyone ordering service from Car Examiner, you will have a great mechanic, passionate mechanic who loves what they do, and you will not have to feel like you're thinking, oh, I will never use them again. You know, it's just one of those things, and you keep changing the garages. You know, you're going from A to B to C to the D, and then you don't even know what's wrong with your car anymore. You know, I promise you, you will have the best service, because we want you to have a great service, to have a great vehicle, and to have this great vehicle maintained accordingly to the manufacturer specifications, and you know when to replace the next item on your vehicle or part. You know how long you will still have on this particular part, instead of you going into the garage, they're doing a quick service, and you're getting out and you're going home. Or in a main dealer, they're listing you things, and you know it will cost you too much to replace them and you would not, you know. So we want you to have the vehicle which drives. We providing 12 months warranty or 12,000 miles on every repair. We don't fit Mickey Mouse parts. We only fit OE or similar parts on your vehicle, which means they are quality parts, and they will last that time. Yes, we would not be the cheapest in the market, but you know, you will get service what we provide. carexamer.com. We love what we do. We love cars, we love customers, and customer service is our priority. So you feel satisfied what we do and of outcome what you receive of every repair or every vehicle inspection, every warranty you buy or any services you're buying from us. carexamer.com. We love you.